Welcome back to Python Training Part 2, presented by Amatip IT. In today's lesson, we will be exploring variables and data types in Python. Variables are like containers that can hold different types of data, such as numbers, text, or Boolean values. In Python, you can assign a value to a variable by using the equal sign. There are different data types in Python, including integers, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Integers are whole numbers without decimal points, and they can be positive or negative. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed in either single or double quotation marks. Lists are ordered collections of items, which can be of different data types. Tuples are similar to lists, but they are immutable, meaning that their values cannot be changed. Dictionaries are key-value pairs, where each key is associated with a value. To declare a variable, you simply choose a name for it and assign a value using the equal sign. You can name your variable almost anything, but it's a good practice to choose meaningful and descriptive names. Remember that Python is case-sensitive, so a variable named age is different from a variable named age. You can perform operations on variables, such as adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing their values. To concatenate two strings, you can use the plus sign or the join method with a separator. You can also format strings using placeholders, denoted by curly braces, and the format method. Python also has a built-in function called type, which allows you to check the data type of a variable. This can be useful when you want to ensure that the variable you are working with is of the expected type. It's important to understand the concept of variable scope, which determines where a variable can be accessed. Global variables are defined outside of any function and can be accessed throughout the entire code. Local variables, on the other hand, are defined inside a function and can only be accessed within that function. By using the global keyword, you can modify a global variable inside a function. You can also assign multiple variables in a single line, separating them with a comma. Python allows you to change the value of a variable, even if it was previously assigned a different type. Understanding variables and data types is crucial for building more complex Python programs. So, take your time to practice and experiment with different types of variables and data in Python. That's all for this Python Training Part 2. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable Python tutorials from Amatip IT.